Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You must be confused which books to prefer for first year BHMS. So this are the books which I have preferred, which I am using for my first year. For anatomy, you have to use General Anatomy. It is the Handbook of General Anatomy by B.D. Chaurasia. Then you have 4 volumes for anatomy. Volume 1 in which you have upper limb and thorax. Volume 2 in which you have lower limb, abdomen and pelvis. In volume 3 you have head and neck. In volume 4 you have brain and neuroanatomy. So for anatomy you have to use 4 volumes plus the general handbook for anatomy. You can prefer Mandal and Mandal, a textbook of homeopathic pharmacy by Mandal and Mandal. It is the most preferred books for pharmacy. Or otherwise you can also prefer D.D. Banerjee's argumented textbook of homeopathic pharmacy. You can use C.C. Chatterjee's Human Physiology, and it has 2 volumes. This is volume 1. And this is volume 2, that is C.C. Chatterjee's Human Physiology, volume 2. For preference, you can also use Essentials of Medical Physiology, that is K. Samalingam or Prema Samal. Organon, you have to prefer Organon of Medicine, 6th edition by Samuel Hannah. Homeopathic Materia Medica, you can prefer Lectures on Homeopathic Materia Medica by J.T. Kent. Then you can also prefer Pocket Manual of Homeopathic Materia Medica by William Borick. Or you can also prefer Allen's Keynotes by H.C. Human Embryology and Human Histology. You can use the Repertory of the Homeopathic Materia Medica by J.T. Kent. And for finding out any medical term meaning, you can use Dolan Pocket Medical Dictionary. जो हमें रेफर करनी है, फर्स्ट रेपर्टरी, फिर डॉलेंस पॉकेट मेडिकल डिक्शनरी, फिर ऑर्गेनॉन ऑफ मेडिसिन, एलेंस की नोट, फिर होम्योपैथिक फार्मेसी की 2 बुक्स हैं, मंडल एंड मंडल, D.D. बैनर्जी, फिर वापस एनाटॉमी, ये देखो, फिर फिजियोलॉजी मटेरिया मेडिका.